Hi, hello, namaste. This is Dr. Kasigari Prasad, Associate Professor, Graphologist, Writer and Motivational Speaker. Welcome you to the course on satellite communications. In this course, we are on the lecture series on satellite communications. Today, in this topic, we discuss on the applications of satellite communications. Basically, satellite is an eye in the sky. Since it acting as an eye in the sky, it receiving the signal and retransmitting the signal to the ground station, it provides some applications. So what are the different types of applications? Imagine yourself, you might get some solutions, you might get some answers, you might get some insights about what are the different satellite applications. As I am talking and you are listening at a virtual distance, you are listening to the information that has been carried to you by using the satellite itself. So satellite plays a vital role in our day-to-day life. So we are now to list various kinds of satellite applications. So before we discuss about the applications of satellites, let us have a small glance on what are the advantages of satellite communications. So the area of coverage is more than that of a terrestrial system by using satellite communications. And second one is, each and every corner of the earth can be covered with communication by using satellites. And the third one is, the transmission cost is independent of coverage area. Whatever it is, depending on the location, the price will not change. And lastly, more bandwidth and broadcasting is possible by using satellite communication. With these advantages, let us step into what are the applications of satellite communications. Satellite communication plays a vital role, significant role in our day-to-day applications. So now let us discuss in detail about different applications of satellite communications. The first and foremost is weather forecasting. Satellite will provide us an information in detail about how the weather changes has been taken place. Those weather changes, those predictions, continuous monitoring on rains, the temperatures, humidity and all different attributes of climate and weather is being monitored by satellite. It gives such data to the ground stations, and respective ground stations will study how the weather changes, climatic changes has been taken place. Like satellite helps us in identifying and forecasting the weather. So another application of satellite communication is radio and TV broadcasting. So just we can have live broadcasting of information and also other broadcastings can be noticed. So satellites provide us broadcasting services. Apart from these two, satellites also provides dedicated services in military. Therefore, those satellites are especially used for military applications. So significant, secured and reliable information can be transmitted from one point to another point. In military, at the time we need highly reliable, highly secured satellites, and those satellites will provide such type of services. So military satellites provide military applications. And next, another application of satellite communication is satellites provide navigation services. Those services means you are using GPS system in order to navigate from one point to another point. We basically use satellites to identify the locations. So navigation services can be provided by satellites. See, navigation for a road, navigation on sea, navigation over air, all such type of navigations can be provided by using some satellites called navigation satellites. And we can connect one person to another person continentally from one point to large distances. So global telephoning can also be taken place by satellite services. And next thing is, our globe is composed of several terrains, very remotely connected, very remotely placed. At those times, it finds very difficult to connect the people who are at remote areas. For them to connect, satellite is a very useful aid. So satellite connects the remote areas, and those people who are in varying terrain conditions, those can also be, that means like in Himalayas and different places where glaciers, ice and all those things are there, and also in very huge forestry areas also, satellites can provide some connectivity services. And satellite provides another application, global mobile communication application. Using mobile phones, globally we can provide communication, and those services are provided by satellite communication. Thank you. That's all for satellite communication applications. Now I invite you all to list such more many applications which you have noticed from satellites. Okay, thank you very much. And we and ours is a Kasigari Prasad, a learning, educational, enthusiastic, inspiring and motivating channel. I invite you to kindly subscribe to our channel, comment on the particular section, and share the information, knowledgeable information, to your students, faculty fraternity and to your family members. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.